Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, I said I was going to be done discussing these Travis Scott lows, but yesterday we discussed a possibility here on the channel right in our seller hold video. I don't think it was yesterday we posted it, but the day before. We said, hey, if there's some lag on sneakers or, a couple problems with the release, these could go up in price a bit. And well, these two sneakers, the Tropical Pink and the Shy Pink Travis Scott lows, have gone up more than a little bit in price within the last day or so. And the reason mainly for that is just because they were hard to get on sneakers. And the Travis Scott site was also a little bit weird. They dropped it via a new style. I don't even really remember seeing it. I think it was only for like 20 or 30 minutes. They really dropped this one quickly, kind of breezed by it on us. And yeah, basically if you caught that kind of $300 range on these, you're doing pretty good on this pair right now, considering most sizes are back above that range pretty comfortably. I'm going to show you guys that right now. We'll discuss if these will continue to be a good hold, which I think there's a definite answer to that. Yes, I mean, considering that the stock numbers we probably saw online weren't fully accurate in my opinion. I feel like we probably had a little bit less stock, considering that sneakers, again, was a very hard cop. We didn't see a lot of dubs there. And off the Travis site, I didn't see like any wins like at all. Like they again dropped it via like a new style, but I saw like no dubs. So we'll get into it. Hope you guys will enjoy, and we'll break it down from here. If you guys want more content like this, go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal we always shoot for here on the channel is 300 likes. If you do that, that'd be great. If not, again, just check out anything else I got linked down below. My Instagram pages, the TikTok lives, we've been grinding, man. Don't forget, we spend a lot of our time there pretty much daily. We got new stuff landing today, so I'm gonna try and do a live tonight. If not, then tomorrow, Sunday, y'all can get like an all day live from me. We're gonna do something fun there, and just before I go spend like some time with my family later in the day, we'll do something, run some of the new gear, new tees, all that we got in. So stay tuned, guys. It is all coming. And is there anything else I'm forgetting? I mean, if there is, again, it'll be in that pinned comment. Just let me know if you guys are needing anything, and that's pretty much what I can say. Hope you guys will enjoy. Let's get started. And sorry if I seem tired today. Got a little bit of a late start, but we're here, and the screen recording is now up. So taking a look at these again, as y'all can see, we're looking at the Tropical Pink Travis Scott lows first, and then we'll look at the Shy Pinks, which is the more popular of the two. Now, you guys see how many sales? Look at this market, man. You remember yesterday? Remember yesterday when he was at like 350, 380, or 350, 400? Does this look like 350, 400 anymore? No, it does not. No. So you've seen these have gone up around $60 to $80 an average in all sizes. Boom, the lightning bolt symbol is there. People are bidding crazy on these. You got $700 bids on these, which means people are paying $800 to $1,000 on these probably in other regions. So just let you know where we'll see these in the future on the sneaker. Is this a good long-term hold? Yes, it's a pink Travis Scott low. They've never done this before. You can at least hold the women's sizes, right? Like 5 through 7 men's, and you'll make some. I bet you those are those already going for like $1,000? No, but yeah, 5 through 7 men's. My prediction on these right here, the Tropical Pink lows, 5 through 7 will be $1,000 one day, 100%. It's a pink Travis low. This is like the nice sneakerhead gift to get, like if you have like a sneakerhead girlfriend, right? Like this would be like the banger. This would be the surprise. You could drop on her. You know what I mean? If she doesn't already have them, right? Because if she's a sneakerhead, then you probably already got a couple nice pairs, you know what I mean? But yeah, if you get her one of these, hey, you're set, my brother. And look at that, 5 through 7 on these. Yeah, again, I think there's lots of potential there. But aside from that, basically looking at what we got right here in the current price range, I do think these will cross $500 probably later this year. I would predict around Christmas time. That's probably when we'll see more progress on these. Or you maybe could say around back to school, unless these just keep making quick progress throughout the summer. The chart does look really good for these. Again, seeing where they were at the other day, you guys see kind of that 410 range, and now seeing where most are selling, you can see kind of that 510 range on average. So about $100 rise after the sneakers L's and the lag there. That's basically what we've had on average between the two pairs. Most sizes have gone up about $100. So again, if you bought these the other day and you got a pair that's shipped and is on the way to you, you got a good deal. You know what I mean? If you paid resale the other day, don't feel bad, because that's actually a good price now, considering if you didn't buy it too early. Yeah, I mean, if you bought it like 2 or 3 days ago, bro, that is perfect. You know what I mean? That is a perfect buy right there. I should have done an on-feet review. I should have. Hey, all good, all good. I guess it would have been worth it to wear, keep, and do the review on. I could have sold it. Hey, is what it is. Is what it is. You can't win everyone. But yeah, knowing that those went up in price, hey, that would have been a good one to buy for an on-feet review, because then I could have just sold them and gotten probably most, if not all, of my money back. And because I imagine worn once price on these are probably about where they were yesterday, brand new. But I don't know. There's no used market for these yet. That hasn't even formed. But aside from that, kind of seeing that, looking at the sizes that are going for more now too, I think it's definitely telling to see that the guys have popped out a bit more for these. You can see, look at those 11.5, 12, 11, 10.5. All those sizes have gone back up in price to, again, kind of that 470, 420 range, which is very good. You can see this one has the lightning bolt symbol. Both have a crazy amount of sales. Like Tropical Pink is barely more popular. I love the Tropical Pink ones a little bit more, and you can see it has like a little bit more sales, but like 60 or so. So this is the one that had higher stock and is, I guess, how can I put this? I always feel like this one didn't have as much hype as the Shot Pinks, but it is. I feel like it's the nicer of the two. I don't know why. I'd wear this colorway more. I feel like I don't know why it's a little bit more of like a Valentine's Day or just something subtle. You know, I feel like it's not even like to that. You know, it's just a nice sneaker. Like I like this colorway actually. Like I'm not a fan of pink normally, and I like this. You know what I mean? It's just I don't have. I mean, I have a couple pairs of pink on them in my collection. I'm trying to think of where they're at. I think they're over there. I'll try and remember in a sec. But I have no problem with pink. I'm just like, you know, I haven't really seen it look amazing or really look good in a shoe. And this looks really good. This looks solid. I mean, this is very wearable. And you can see the progress these have made as well. Take a look. We go right here to the chart. As you guys can see, look, we're down here at, let's go to 414. And now look where we're at. 519. Boom. $100 wraps. We go to the Shot Pinks. We're probably going to see about the same thing. Look at this. We're down here at, as you'll see, 423, and now boom, we're up here at 503. So that's an $80 rise on average for most in the Shot Pinks. You guys can see again, Shot Pinks is like 400 to 470. Tropical Pinks is about, if you take a look at the most sizes, we're at about a 430 to 480 range. But you look at the lady sizes, we're talking 600 to 700 bucks on this pair already. And then you look at the Shot Pinks again, we're talking very high prices as well already. Here, hold up. Let me do this real quick. Sorry, just restart my screen recording right there because I think I saw it glitching me there real quick. Luckily, was able to catch that. But aside from that, taking a look at the Shot Pink, sorry, it was just StockX glitching. You can see the lady size and these are going for about 500 to 700. So a little bit less than the tropical pinks. I don't know why. I just feel like these ones probably stand out a little bit more. I feel like people probably rock with these ones. Like, it's a colorway that just kind of is, like, you could put more fits with this one. It's a little more standoutish. Like, you see the reverse swoosh, the red on the pink as a perfect color combo. Like, that's always been a really popular, combination of colors to put together, right? Red and that, like, style of pink right there. Again, that's why I'm saying Valentine's Day. That's when you most commonly see that color combo, right? But you can just pull it off other times of the year, too. People don't try it. But try it now. You know what I mean? You got these. So that's everything I need to say, man. In terms of the long-term price prediction, again, this is going to be a $600 to $700 shoe in the men's sizes, probably a year or so down the line. Again, talking 12 to 14 months. And in the ladies' sizes, that's where we'll see the quicker progress. They're already high in price, and we're going to see those ones touch $800 to $1,000 in this shoe. 100%. I know that's a bold prediction, but I have no doubts in my mind that the small sizes in these will go up in price. They didn't make a lot of them. You saw what happened with the sneakers drop when a little bit of lag happened. Everybody was holding out for sneakers yesterday. You saw that. And, well, look what happens when everybody waits for the sneakers drop. Yeah, prices spike up. So, boom, we have another shoe going up in price. It's a Travis Scott's. No real surprise there. Will it maintain price? We'll have to see. Again, if we have a ton of pairs land over the next week or so, then yeah, maybe these won't go up in price as much as we think. But are they going to go up in price? Yeah, I think these are very wearable colorways. We haven't seen pink Travis Scott lows before. And, this is a good one for the ladies, too. So that's the main reason why I'm just kind of mentioning this one, because I feel like there's going to be a good market for, both sides of the sneaker game. Like, I feel like everybody's going to kind of want this shoe. So, I feel like that'll be really good a year from now when there's just not as many of them available. I feel like the prices will probably be a bit higher. You already see them going up a bit in price now. That just lets us know they're already a bit limited. So that's my thoughts. All right, my bad, y'all. Over here, we're done with it. And that's pretty much what I can say again about the Travis Scott Tropical Pink and Shot Pink lows, man. Both have made some serious progress, going up $80 to $100 on average in most sizes. And I think the progress will continue. Now, it's not probably going to, continue too much over the next couple days. Maybe we'll see a little bit more progress, like 10 to 50 bucks, something like that. But I honestly think as we start to have pairs land and people get their pairs shipped and they land from overseas raffles or, whatever the case is, I feel like we'll probably see these, come down more in price, you know what I mean? A little bit, though. And they are very limited. I mean, you wouldn't see the shoe go up in price, right? Unless the sneakers drop just didn't have a lot of stock. So, yeah, you know what I mean? This is going to be a shoe that will make progress in the future. I'm pretty confident in saying that, at least in the women's sizes. Look at what some of these Travis Scott lows go for a couple years later, you know what I mean? This is like specialized for the ladies, you know what I mean? They haven't had like a low for them. I mean, it even has like a little heart on the tongue tag, you know what I mean? Like, this is definitely one of those ones. I could even see around Valentine's Day the shoe making progress. I know that's kind of odd, maybe next year, but I feel like we'll probably see more realistic progress on these, like back to school, December this year. 2 really good times for buying shoes. So that's my thoughts on these, man. They're making progress, and I think it'll continue long term. So if y'all want more, again, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget the normal goal. I always shoot for 300 likes. If you do that, that'd be great. Again, leave your thoughts down below. Don't forget, y'all see the brick after bricks art behind me, because tomorrow on my Instagram, make sure y'all follow in there down below, and my TikToks, right? Or TikTok page, sorry. Don't know why I said it like that. About my Instagram, we're going to be posting a giveaway for the Brick After Bricks. It's going to be running all throughout June. The winner will be able to choose their size. So make sure you all follow my Instagram so you don't miss that post for the Brick After Bricks. Again, somebody's going to win that pair completely free. Again, I'm not kidding. Like, you'll be able to choose your size. All you got to do is tag 2 friends. Obviously, don't spam entries. If you spam entries, then, I'm just not gonna count yours, you know what I mean? But if you do like 5 or a couple, like, I'm not gonna care, you know what I'm saying? But if you do like 100, then, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna respect the work ethic, but I'm gonna be like, brother, what are we doing? Alright. That's what I can say though, guys, man. That's pretty much everything I need to mention about, what was I gonna say? This sneaker right here, or these 2 sneakers, right? They made some progress, they're going up in price. You can check my TikToks, Instagrams, all that down below. Feel like we've had a pretty good outro here, so yeah, we'll wrap it up here. I gotta get some stuff done today. I got UPS actually delivering a lot today. I got a moving truck in front of my spot today, like blocking me from like getting out, so hopefully they aren't there all day. At least they're here early, so that's nice. But I was like, hold on now, bro. Like, hey, but it is what it is. You know, I'm not gonna. We'll give it a couple hours. If they're gone, they're gone. If not, then we'll just tell them to move. But yeah, that's it, guys. I'm T. Thank you all. Hopefully, UPS is just able to. That's my main concern today. I just need my stuff from UPS. So if they're being in front of my house messes up with my UPS deliveries, then I might have a problem with it. But hopefully not. Hopefully not. Hopefully I can just walk to UPS. We get it done, and boom, nice and easy. We'll see. All right, that's it, guys. I'm T. I'll catch y'all in the next video tomorrow. Hopefully, I see y'all then. Peace out, squad.